Architecture and design. I have always been captivated by their power to make us feel alive, inspired, at peace. For me, the qualities of one's surroundings and one's actual quality of life are inextricably linked. At the start of any design project, we ask ourselves important questions. How can we make someone's life better? Support their well-being? Create an inspiring backdrop for the memories they're going to make, for the life they dream of leading. Only through deep listening, respect for the architecture, and connection to the setting beyond can we truly find those answers. Like a sculptor, we shape space with proportion, scale, flow, classical principles that make one feel intangibly good. Through our design lens, we find the light and the human connection to our surroundings. Color, texture, materials are all carefully balanced in spaces where form follows function and the finishes are healthy and pure. Then we call upon talented makers to handcraft our vision, and we curate art and artifacts that tell a story and give a place soul. It's all orchestrated into a harmonious whole to welcome someone home. Channeling our creativity, our passion to transform personal spaces is an extraordinary privilege. Enhancing the quality of the lives lived within them is our greatest reward.